Welcome to this tutorial on how to add your scouts and receivers to your site on the hub. This step should be completed before the system is installed in the field. Let's start with the receivers. First, locate the serial number of your base station. You can find it on the packaging or underneath the base. On the hub, go to the receivers page. Click New, select Base, and enter the serial number in the Base ID field. You can then give your receiver a name of your choice, place it on the map, and specify its installation height and antenna type. All of this information can be updated later if needed. Don't forget to save your changes. Your receiver will now appear on the left side of the screen. Now, let's add your scouts. Just like with the receivers, start by finding the scout's serial number, either on the packaging or directly on the device. On the Scouts page, click New, then Scout. Enter the serial number, choose a name, and select the soil type where the scout will be installed. It's important to calibrate the water balance graph. To know more, check the link in the description. Next, place your scout on the map, indicating where it will be buried and at what depth. This helps you remember where each scout is located. Once all your scouts and receivers are added to the hub, you're almost ready to go. Before heading out, make sure your receivers are fully charged and that the scouts are able to connect. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.